Namaste, welcome to Sister's Kitchen. Today I am making sheer khurma. This is a Ramzan or Ramadan special recipe in my easy way. I have taken some chopped almonds, cashews, black raisins, golden raisins and chopped dates. Take 3 tablespoons of ghee in a thick bottom pan and add chopped almonds and cashews. Fry them on a low medium flame. When the almonds and cashews are 50% roasted, go ahead and add the chopped dates, golden raisins and black raisins. Fry them all on low medium flame, and when they are done, transfer them into a plate. In the same pan, fry the vermicelli. Here I am using thin roasted vermicelli. This can be available in Indian stores or Pakistani stores. I added 2 more teaspoons of ghee. This is about 1 cup of thin vermicelli. Roast it until it slightly changes its color. Then add 3 cups of milk. I used 3 cups of organic whole milk. 2% milk or 0% milk doesn't taste good for this recipe. It has to be whole milk. Let it cook on low medium flame for about 10 minutes. Stir it in between. The milk is boiling and the vermicelli is getting soft. So go ahead and add the fried nuts and the dry fruits. Give it a good mix. Also add the freshly ground cardamom powder. If you are using sugar, go ahead and add it now. But I am going to use jaggery, which gives more color and more taste for this dish. So to use jaggery, I am going to switch off the flame and then adding the jaggery. I am using about 1/4 cup of jaggery. You can increase or decrease the amount of jaggery according to your taste. Stir it until the jaggery melts. Do not cook anymore after adding the jaggery. If you do, the milk may curdle. You may serve it hot or chilled. So try this simple recipe and give me your feedback. Thank you so much for watching my video. For more healthy recipes, check out my website at sisterkitchen.com. And if you like the recipe, please give me a thumbs up and share with your friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page.